Hi, in this video I will show you how to shoot a slow-mo video on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. First of all, open the camera and tap More. Then tap Slow Motion. Tap the record icon to begin recording. Then tap the stop icon to finish recording. That's it. If you want to view your video, tap the thumbnail. Then tap Play Slow Motion Video. If you want to view the playback controls, tap the screen. And after you're done watching, tap the back arrow to return to the camera. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.